are here picking up our second load, going back down to Florida. We have 2 stops, one in Lakeland and then the other one is in Deerfield Beach. Both going to the Publix. So I'm already backed up. Time to just move to the back. Doors do open from the inside. I kind of hate this place because, or places like this, because that shit right there scratches up your trailer. Stupid places, man. I tell you, they try to make things better and they just make it worse. Been here for a while. Been here since like noon. It's like 3:30 in the afternoon now. And I got my door because I called. I'm like, hey, I've been here for a while. You know, I called them and I told them, hey, I've been here for a while. And it's time I got on the door. Is everything okay? You know, just to make sure. It's like, yeah, everything's okay. Just back up into door, you know, back up into door 43. So I'm like, well, that's nice, right? I don't call and nobody calls me. Whatever, this is what it is. But other than that, I mean, as soon as we get loaded here, we're gonna go ahead and head out. We have like 12, 13 on the miles. And yeah, what can I say? Other than that, I hope we have a good night, you know? A safe trip back down to the house. So we'll see. All right, guys. So we are currently here in exit 109, Louisiana, on I-10, a little past Lafayette. Man, last night, man, they got me out of there super late. Kind of sucks because now I'm a little against schedule, but I mean, it is what it is. You already know. I'm ready to pump in some fuel now. I'm gonna make sure I fill up everything. Truck and trailer. I have plenty of fuel, but since I'm gonna get a good discount here with the mud flap, I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure I have everything all the way to the top. So yeah, we still got plenty of miles to go. So all I can say is let's continue our trip once we're done here. I'm probably gonna have some chicken wings or something, nothing too strong, just so I can keep going because I am a little hungry. But I know that if I stop to have a nice meal, I'm probably gonna want to stop to sleep as well, and I can't right now. I can't afford that. So we gotta do what we gotta do. Other than that, I missed a green KW that left, man. I think was nice. There is another one over there that's nice over there. And there was, when I was coming up, there was another one, another W9 that was bad. We got this blue P right here, but it looks like it needs some love. Oh, there you go, over there. Wish maybe next time, but not today. Can't go over and record. I'm a little busy, you know. Gotta do what I gotta do. Gotta get it going. I already checked my tires, make sure everything is good, so we can continue. Alright, y'all, so we're here in Lakeland, Florida at the Publix. I actually just got my paperwork, and this is the first time something like this happens to me here. So I have different doors. I don't know, let me try to explain. I have different product, and I guess it goes to different doors. So now I gotta go back to the guard shack so they can call in, I guess, a different building to see if they have a door available for me. So we got here around 4:30 in the morning. It is currently almost 6 a.m. My appointment wasn't until 7 o'clock regardless. I'm already done with like the first stop. Hopefully the other one is quick as well, and we could get it going. I am gonna take a nap here once I'm done, and then, I do have to be in Deerfield Beach by 3 p.m. so I can probably leave out of here around 10 o'clock and still make it there on time, because I am a little tired. So I'm gonna leave the truck here for a second. I'm gonna go to the guard shack over there and see what they tell me. Hopefully I can get a door now, because the gentleman did call me. He's like, hey, come to door. I forgot what he said, but the thing is that I wasn't done at this location. I wasn't done at this door, so I couldn't go. So he did tell me, oh, once you're done, go back to the guard shack to see what they tell you, so they can call him. So hopefully we get our next door quick. That way we can take a nap without any issues. There it is. Got door 388, which is at the back side of this frozen warehouse. So I guess, I don't know. It is what it is. Hopefully when I get to the one in Deerfield, I don't have to do the same stuff. I don't think so, because I never done that over there, but it's fine, whatever. The broker didn't tell me about this, but it's whatever, right? Who cares? Sunlight is coming out. Your boy is tired. It was a long damn day and night, man. I can tell you that much. But we're here. We made it safe without any issues. Thanks to God. So yeah, let's go back inside the truck. Back it up over there. And hopefully these guys are as quick as these guys. That way we can come over here and stage there for a few hours before we head out to Deerfield. There we are at our door. Guys, I got to the Publix and I'm sorry, I really didn't record. I just noticed that I was here. I got here super tired. All I did was turn in my paperwork, man. They gave me my door and I went straight to my door and I knocked out. But as you guys can see, we are already empty. I'm gonna go ahead and close my doors, move my tandem towards the front, and I'm gonna get it out of here. It's time to go home. Time to go home. Go. Alright guys, so it is the next day. I got home yesterday. Check this out. I'm with the little man. ¿Qué te asustaste? Viste ahí. Chócala. Quédate tranquilo. Turns out that when I got here yesterday, I turned off the truck and everything, and this airbag right here started to leak. It is a little low, as you guys can see, it's a little crusty. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off, and that one's a little crusty too. So I'm gonna go ahead and take everything off, and I'm gonna go buy the new bags. So let's go ahead and do that. Check it out, guys. Look at the bag. So I replaced both of them. Look at this. That is crazy. Check it out. Continental on both sides. I already checked the no leaks, obviously, right, brand new stuff. I also did the fittings down here brand new, because I have plastic ones, so I put the copper ones down. But what do you expect from this, right? This was actually the good side. This side wasn't leaking. Look how it was. It was only this side leaking. But check it out. I can't complain. These things I put these things on like 6 months into when I had the truck. I've had the truck for almost 5 years, so they've been there for a while. So other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and pick up. We're done here, guys. I wanna, thank you guys all once again for looking at my videos. For the love, for support. You guys are killing it. Don't stop. We're gonna try and keep pushing videos out as much as possible. Like I said before, I know that my videos they're way behind now. I know that it's been a while. I haven't had a lot of time lately. Remember, it's not just about the truck. I also have a family, so it's a lot going on. But bear with me. But we'll do what we gotta do. As always, peace. Keep on trucking.